Hi, my name's Ithalia Forel. I'm a Trailblazer champion 2016-17. It's been really great to be invited to today for the Healthier Dancer programme. What we've explored is the connection with African dance and hip hop. What we've explored today are the connections with African dance and hip hop. So we've explored the African rhythms and the polyrhythmic nature, which really resonates with hip hop. And you can say that's where the history has come from, where it was born. We've looked at song, how we connect with sound, how that makes us feel within, and also what that means for the form. And then I'm really inviting people to see how that can connect with their daily ritual to look after their bodies and their minds. What we've looked at are the reasons why we're actually relating and thinking about African dance. Whether it's indirectly or directly, we know that the history of hip hop may have been born in the late 70s in the Bronx, but it comes from what happened before that, the movement of people from Africa to America, and how that has informed practice today. So what I'm really inviting the dancers and artists to think about is how they can invite these traditions into their daily ritual to help with their healthy body and healthy mind. So exploring the rhythmical relation and also the traditions.